11 cool tricks you can do with the Google search box. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 11 cool tricks you can do with the Google search box. There is a lot of fun and useful function hidden away in that empty white bar, so let's get started. Trick number 1. Convert numbers to words. This is great trick for if you are writing a document or presentation and you need to write a large number in words. To do this, simply type the number into the search box and then type written in words or as words after it. Trick number 2. Flip a coin. If you need to make a decision and can't decide, you can use the Google search box to flip a coin. To do this, simply type flip a coin into the search box and press enter. Google will then flip a coin for you and display the result. Trick number 3. Roll a die. If you are playing a game and you need to roll a die, you can use the Google search box to do it for you. To do this, simply type roll a die into the search box and press enter. Google will then roll a die for you and display the results. Trick number 4. Check grammar. If you're not sure whether or not your writing is grammatically correct, you can use the Google search box to check it for you. To do this, simply type your sentence or passage into the search box and then type grammar check or check grammar after it. Google will then scan your text for grammar errors and display a list of suggestions. Trick number 5. Define a word. If you are not sure what a word means, you can use the Google search box to define it. To do this, simply type the word into the search box and press enter. Google will then display a definition of the word. If you need to check whether or not a surface is level, you can use the Google search box on your phone to access bubble level. To do this, simply type bubble level into the search box and press enter. Google will then display a simple bubble level that you can use it to check a level of the surface. Level any surface like this wall, and you could see is 0.3. You couldn't see, but I can see. Trick number 7. Play a Pac-Man. If you're looking for a quick way to kill some time, you can play Pac-Man in the Google search box. To do this, simply type play Pac-Man into the search box and press enter. Google will then open up a game for Pac-Man that you can play. Trick number 8. Play Solitaire. If you're a fan of card games, you can play Solitaire in the Google search box. To do this, simply type play Solitaire into the search box and press enter. Google will then open up a game of Solitaire that you can play. Trick number 9. Use a metronome. If you're a musician or athlete, you can use the Google search box to access metronome. To do this, simply type metronome into the search box and press enter. Google will then open up a simple metronome that you can use it to keep time. Trick number 10. Start a timer. If you need to set a timer, you can use the Google search box to do it for you. To do this, simply type set a timer for time. Trick number 11. Do the breathing exercise. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, you can use the Google search box to do a breathing exercise. To do this, simply type breathing exercise into the search box and press enter. Google will then open up a simple breathing exercise that you can follow. That's it for the 11 cool tricks you can do with the Google search box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cool tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.